Hello guys, welcome back to the communication channel. So in today's video we will start with the part 2 of waec past question and answer on GSM maintenance and repair. So last time we talked about the part 1. I hope you have gone through that one. I hope you learned a lot in that. It is very important. So guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about the part 2 of GSM maintenance and repair past question and answer. So let's go. If you haven't subscribed, try to subscribe. If you haven't watched the part 1, I will drop the link in the description section. Don't forget to watch it. Subscribe to our channel. So let's go. So the question there is, list 3 symptoms of a faulty microphone. Sorry for the question covering just because of the screenshot. The question again is, list 3 symptoms of a faulty microphone. Microphone is a mouthpiece in phone, so they say you should list 3 symptoms of a faulty microphone. Then the second question there is, these 3 components of a mobile phone that has polarity. So what's the expected answer? The A answer is, symptoms of a faulty microphone are poor audio quality during call, or receiver cannot hear the caller voice. So that is number 1 symptom. The second symptom is change in sound. Caller voice is distorted to the receiver. That is another symptom. The number 3 symptom there is sound interruption. Receiver can hear the caller on some occasion, but not all the time. So those are the symptoms of a faulty microphone or the mouthpiece. It will be very hard for your receiver to hear you when you are speaking, and there will be voice interruption, and again there will be change in sound. That is a symptom of a faulty microphone or mouthpiece. If you are an engineer, you need to know this. Very simple. The B part of the answer is, list 3 components of a mobile phone that has polarity. The recommended answer there is, backup battery phone have a polarity, electrolyte / polarized capacitor, and battery terminal. Those are components of a mobile phone that have polarity. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, the picture labeled figure 1 and 2 represent telecommunication device. Use them to answer question. The first one is F1, that is figure 1. The next one is figure 2. So let's go to the question. The question is, identify figure 1 and figure 2. The big question is, state 2 reasons why figure 1 would not recognize figure 2. And number 3, mention 2 types of figure 2 available. Figure 1 there, the answer there is a mobile cell phone. That is it. Figure 2 is a SIM card. So now let's use this figure to answer the question. The number 1 question says, identify figure 1 and figure 2. We have already done that. Figure 1 is a cell phone and figure 2 is a SIM card. Then the big question there is, state 2 reasons why figure 1 would not recognize figure 2. That is, why the mobile phone would not recognize SIM card in the phone. What is the expected answer? The expected answer is, reason why figure 1 would not recognize figure 2 is that wrong insertion of SIM card. 2. Death on the metal contact of the SIM card. 3. When the SIM card is faulty. 4. Faulty SIM bed or SIM socket or SIM slot or SIM connector. 5. Phone has been locked to a specific SIM or network. and 6. Broken line bus. 7. Faulty SIM card IC and faulty power IC. Those are some of the reasons that will make the mobile phone not to recognize SIM card. So we have answered that question. Let's go to the third one. Say, mention two types of figure 2. That is, it's talking about the SIM card. Mention two types of SIM card we have. Let's go to the recommended answer. The answer there is, we have the standard or regular mini SIM card, we have the micro SIM card, and we have the nano SIM card. That is the types of SIM card we have. So let's answer the last question. Last question is, okay, we have already answered that one. Let's move to the next one. The next one is, F3 is a device used in GSM phone repair workshop. Use it to answer the question. This is figure 3. So let's go to the question. The question is, identify figure 3. The big question there is, state 2 uses of figure 3 in mobile workshop. Another question there is, state 2 precautions to be taken while using figure 3 in a mobile phone repair shop. Then another question there is, outline the step to be taken to reset an Android phone. So now let's go to the answer. As we all know, that figure 3 there is a cable. Look at it here, the answer here. Figure 3 is data cable or USB cable. Then now let's go to the next question. The next question is, uses of figure 3 in a workshop or uses of data cable in your phone workshop. The number one question is, the number one answer is for providing communication between two devices, for connecting two devices together, for transferring or receiving files between two devices, used for flashing phone, used for charging phone or other device. So we have answered that one. The next question is, precaution to be taken while using your data cable in a phone repair shop. The number one precaution there is, use appropriate cable for each phone. Insert into the appropriate port. Ensure cable is inserted correctly and properly. Ensure there is no break in the cable. And keep away hot objects from the cable. So those are the precautions taken while using a data cable or USB cable in the phone shop. Then the question down, another of the answer there is step in resetting an Android phone. The recommended step is 1. Long press the power switch and the volume key together until the phone displays the Android logo and recovery menu. That is, you will hold the Android volume key with the power key, either the up volume button or the down volume button. You will hold it with the power button until it displays Android logo and recovery menu. Then you will use the volume control keys to move to reset or hardware recovery. Then the next one is, select the appropriate option and the phone will reset. That is number one step. The number two step is, go to your setting. After going to your setting, tap on backup, reset and enter the PIN or password or pattern you have set. Then 3. Tap factory data reset. Then after that, you tap erase everything, reset the phone and enter PIN and draw password. It will reset. So that is the part 2 that we have discussed today. Maybe another time we'll talk about other parts of this past question and answer. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. You have learned a lot. This past question is very important. You can learn a lot, even as a as an engineer or the master of the shop, as an apprentice or a student, either in the university or in technical institution. It is very beneficial. It is an online e-learning platform. So guys, thank you for staying with us till the end of the video. I hope you learned a lot. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.